the key to any accounting process is communication. The reason I'm talking to you about this today is because I was often asked this from potential clients is, why do I need a bookkeeper? I have somebody who can post all the information and I don't think I need a bookkeeper. Why do I need to pay you to do this stuff? The reason is, unless you have somebody who understands accounting and understands the ramification of the process and the procedures for recording your transactions, there may be some errors. When I was asked this recently from a client, actually, it was because I posed the question about a couple of entries that started appearing in the bank statement that were curious to me. The bank statement started recording some transactions, a transfer to a bank account. I know that the client has a lot of accounts but then this was a new one. So my question was, what is this transfer? Staff member said to me, oh, we're just transferring money back to us. What does that mean? We're transferring money back to us. Oh, the owner is just putting back some money. Okay. What does that mean? So when I spoke to the client and he's saying, oh, it's just money I'm paying back. And I said, paying back to what? They stated paying back to a line of credit. And I said, wait a minute, you have a line of credit? None of this was in his accounts previously. When did this happen? Oh, it just happened about a month ago. Does that mean you transferred money out of the line of credit into your operating account? Yeah. Wait a minute. So you're telling me that money that we've recorded as income is truly just money transferred from a line of credit, which then has over recorded your income. And now this money going back to the line of credit is being paid back plus interest. Had I not asked the question, somebody else who would have not been privy to this information, who may not have been really knowledgeable about the details of the practice, may have just posted that as a draw to the client. The other amounts would have been posted as income, most likely. The interest will not have been posted. To the end of this is that because I question the client and not just the staff member that we usually work with, but the actual owner of the company, we were able to identify what could have been a serious error in their books and continued to be a serious error, because if somebody else that's not paying attention would have just said, oh, that's just a draw from the client, would have misposted all of those transactions related to this and could have affected, in theory, reporting more income to the business, reporting a distribution or a draw to the client, which would have in the end resulted as more tax owed by the client. So communication is key. As an owner, if you're making any of these decisions and you don't have anybody involved, at the very minimum, whoever is doing your accounting, your bookkeeping, they need to be aware of when you institute a new account.